polarized kana ithro ite ku accept antu bangi kuma ome ambuge Meru does not belong to the government na does not belong to the opposition. Meru belong ke antu badaba ke akari ba Meru. Na ki ndio nge Sifuna. First of all, Sifuna kinyata kinyameru. Na already ba twambirite kuigwa kwena mwanki. Kiure kila mtu abateri gochiuri imbiu Sifuna nayo kana what is that Sifuna nayo ire gutuma kinya before kinya no kuigwa factions na chikireta thina. Currently Sifuna na movement kana kwina movement Linda Mwananchi na kira tubateri kumenya ikenda Sifuna kinyirara kinyite mostly antu baraba ingia ba kuadmire orethiritwe arungamite kana consistent ke mantu jara kwariria ethiritwe anti government na ti anti government kwe policies ira kuga mantu jaja thirikari jatiobua uratwitite gutiobua na nethiritwe voice ya very many Kenyans, and that is why very many people identify with Sifuna. This is where the catch is. Kwena atongeria baraba ambirite kuthithia michemanio bakithithia mantu jao bakemobilize antu pao kana bakithithia bura baethukania bakaride on the influence ya Sifuna. Ambwire mbuga atongeria baraba kwambiria kuthithia ka kureta kana baraba bangite misuko kana baraba bangite guchiona nibo baretete Sifuna kana ibo baku influence Sifuna atum kura cha Sifuna itumba ku translate ke an individual. Mtu narombe kura chiawe antu bamiru ba kuringana na maono jarawe najo ya Meru County. Ba kuringana na maono jarawe najo ja constituency ira Sifuna kethro akurukirite. Sifuna ati kurombera kura. Sifuna ati influence mono ore antu bakuthugania nuntu kitha uko utena maono atwira neuma. So on whether political movement no kana movement no translate to voters, number one, I'll be so fair, ambuge it is in a very long time to turn such an organic movement. Sifuna na an organic movement nagi processes che influence ikenda omba go translate this movement ke kura kwi mantu jara bateri kuthithia thai ikenda to translate kana translate movement yeje ke kura turikana atikeje kuringwa kiboko ja Peter Kenneth urawonere akwithirwa na followers baba inge Twitter athugania antu bo no baba kathithia ata ba muringira kura, but the most important thing ni ati this movement irereo it shows that Kenya iba kwenda direction, and it is up to Sifuna number one utan this movement na kumerikia ame an ideology ethiro kwikira kurungamira. Number two, a channel inya yeu na antu ba bonthe ombe kubekira ina organized kana ombe kuba organize in na kuba organize nande ija kiama kira kejakyo kiama kiu kiumba kwithirwa kina membership na akithirwa supportwa Kenya wide ikienda nande at least ethirwa akimenya number na kuba direction other than kuga Kasongo must go kana Kasongo i one term kwena manifesto na ideologies iria wewe ngwa aku believe in na mantu jara kwenda kuona Kenya ikithithia ata ikiendelea na already na articulated a few things here and there na ugite na kwenda Kenya ichoka ke constitutionalism jara to kuga na nditu thita ku celebrate katiba day. Have we seen respect ya rule of law ke politicians barat kana ke thirikari ria twinayo thai urigwa and let me tell you mantu ja violence ni kama msumeno unakata mbele na nyuma. Recently Basifuna barari ranu ntuba guns. The other day president Igoro president no kurira ntuba guns na raurirwe Murwa Dikir no kuona and remonka nkoria gate go follow advice ya munene ya Murkomen araugire bogete nara kwinai
Robo ngunsi na usiende huko.
Usiende huko. But it shows how reckless and how irresponsible Murkomen is. It is the ingoge ya thirikari gukaria antu. Otumbo mbira because ukaugo that means kwa area zirite karo kinyo. What are we trying to show ati ngeta guntu fulani nuntu kwe na guns. You see we mbira kwe narante bateri kweta whereas ito kwete responsibility ya ku to provide the security. Kethra no kure muingoge tiga na nguge kaa chini, wacha wenye wanawezana na kazi waweze kufanya. And therefore mantu jajo nthe wona ura mantu jaja kuthithika ijo ja gutuma antu bebera side ya thirikari na bategera muntu uria ukwariria mantu jaja no ukuja kanukia ikio kuona the movement ya Sifuna is growing by day, it is growing by night, and we expect more. But the question is, ojora uga, can this movement translate into votes?
No, allow me to ask you this. Uriure antu bachumirie bathikire Sifuna. But faction ye who supports Sifuna Meru, yongo independent. Mwanda idhile aina supporters bara abwithitie bo muchemani ontere chiembe. Kawira Mwangaza na tongeria bangi na bo abwithi bakobanga yo na ontere chimenti. So how is this going to be successful, bearing in mind babo onde baruwa beki linda mwananchi but bateko thoma script inemo?
Ambuge, we have a few selfish leaders na bara bagochio na high and mighty. There is a committee to for purposes of co-host Linda Mwananchi team, which is led by Senator Muriithi Nkobito, mkulima na ba Kawira Mwangaza na chairman wa ODM nkorirwa
rieto Jack.
Yes, Jack. There is a committee, a wholly fully functional committee iria ikumenyera the logistics ibo bakubangane ibo liaison officers na the Linda Mwananchi team from Nairobi. Na ambuge ikwithira kwina importance ya kwithira kwina structure, especially rira mutongeria ya Sifuna ejite kana mutongeria yoyote ejite, lazima kwithira kwina team ire ground ire kubangane nuntu gukethira kwina merchandise, gukethira kwina nare antu bakarungama, gukethira kwina need ya security. And therefore antu babate require from the same script. Whatever is happening na bara bakuraga mbuga gutonya muchemanio ne eje kana batonya gi committee eje ya kubanga gwetera Sifuna, kirankwenda kuga ni it is not about the politicians bamero, it is not about individual politicians. Thai turi areria imantu ja Sifuna the first priority is Sifuna. Na antu twithro tukireta factions ingi anga uni mbuga anga ndena antu bakwa anga ndena nini, it is likely kureta ndoa nontu rira ugutikye muchemani ojojo jurajo kubanga mantune jakuja kwa Sifuna na kumu welcome ugogeta ukathithia muchemani ojo ku kando, you're likely antu baku na baba bandeji bomba kuthithia ata bomba kurwa, and that is not the picture that we want. Instead kira tubateri kwithwa tukithithia tubateri kwithwa tukireta Sifuna tukamba gukara wenthi jatongeri bamero nontu itukuona mtuju ena possibility ya kuja kujukia giti, itubateri gukara wenthi tukamutariria mathina ja mero, tukamwira mathina ja mero icho jaja Sifuna ugwe ukaewa giti na arua. How are you going to address insecurity? How are you going to address mantuja lack of employment? Na toka address mantuja roje, na toka address mantuja batwi mantuja health. My health is in shambles. Na toka address mantuja education ya mumero, because yajite mero kuja kwaraniria na mero ikenda abera mantuja rawa yakwenda kuthithia na mero bathithia ata betekeria. Ambuge after 2027 tuterikana mtu uria wajukiria Mike eta ku welcome Sifuna kira tukethwa tukirikana imuntu wiko wa forgire a good relationship na Sifuna ikenda tumba kuona maendeleo kana tumba kwithirwa twi kimethera ya decision making as a representative wa Meru kana antu ba Meru bakethirwa bakifeature ki the development agenda kana ki the development table kana ki the cake sharing table kana kuskuma kana kulobi. That is only possible ukethirwa tugatikana na ndoa itinariri cia kuthithia o expect kethira ground yeku itithongomi Sifuna ate jamithithia iwe ngo wina responsibility ya gutonyara na ku make sure no kukaria interest cia antu baro kwenda ku lead. Therefore fight iji chikuthithika kana baraba kurwa na the steering committee. I don't think it is necessary. It is not necessary.
Apo kama big committee yokira mwandaithile or what's happening?
Kairen Kure, it is not about an individual.
Okay.
It is not about an individual. Nini eje ne Sifuna. Na kou kinya mtu ja mwandaithili na bateri kumenya the interest ire anene. Iku make sure to kureta munene ujo gutwa Sifuna akwira antu vision mea titua ya mwandaithili. Titua ya any other local leader. Tua eje ne Sifuna. Na ito heshima na ito ensure kwa success ikenda kethira antu bakamona na bamuringire kura come 2027 tukethirwa twe in a better position nkuruki ya kureta ndoa na ku make sure michemanio yeje tithithika because kira nkuga ni the moment kukethirwa kwina team yumite naja alafu uko weja o hijack muchemanio urete antu baku because na ndo kethira ko mobilize antu baku or away from the structured way ire bateri kuthithika then uko kwenda kureta confusion and that is it will be a very sad state of affairs if we do that.
Still kiri point could revolve around the opposition within Meru. Bonde tukuingi bakiaria was it on Monday but we focus yo itiki ufagia anyone focus yo irikiri kureta urumwe bwa Meru usupport mtu mwa the top but indication ndiro nani yaka te one time alindas ba Meru bagethra ba yikiri muchemu yo so antu baba karea gwatandira will they deliver kurai kiri mtu mwa opposition kaneke there another routes yo kiritira the sitting presidents barabara yo choka next year.
Na every time there an opportunity kwa ridon kuga the moment wamba kuchiuria what are you voting for okoria kiuria niki why what am I voting for kiuria kiu gikomba ku answer very many questions ira tu nachio because what does Sifuna stand for? What does he stand for? Nkaithiro nkienda mtoro gakaria constitution oro gakaria maisha ja a Kenya oro gakaria maisha ja Gen Z oro komba kugita government wastage oro komba kutigana kana ku abolish projects kana projects ira chithithe tu thirikari cia kurea mbecha kana cia gutuma Mukenya Mumeru omba kumia nkuruki au nio bateri kuringa kura the moment twambiria kuria twekira kiuria kia mbere no tukuringira au nio tuku wrong ubateri guchuria imbi uko kuringira kura. What are you voting for? Are you voting for story wastage kuija kuthithairwo michemanio aja no tikio gikwa launch to project ikuretwa you see kiuria kira ukuria ni what are you voting for and kimantu jaja Sifuna Mumeru ikenda tumba kueberia untu butu kwirwa kethira anga opposition barwa anga ba thithia buria itumenye o kila mtu akaringirwa kura kuringana na ora mantu jawe jara athithitie mtu akaringirwa kura ndaringira senator ndemuringira senator nuntu ku appreciate mantu jara kwaria nkienda kuringira MP ngategera ngugi ewe na performance ewe jara ambete kwithirwa akithithia for Sifuna of course divisions iji chituma ikaangaratania antu na ikyo nkwira antu bamenyere mono politicians because politician ate kwija gukwira ndiringira muntu ujo because of maendeleo ekwira turingire muntu mbuga nuntu i muntu wetu turingire muntu nuntu no kingpin wa Mount Kenya turingire muntu ujo nuntu bwa nini but we are not voting tutikwenda kuringira antu nuntu ba personalities ciao no ndingire nya muntu utiaraia kana muntu ati kumba kwaria kana arumana but nkamuringira nuntu bwa what he stands for na kira capable ya kuthithia. So as we look at Sifuna tukamutega jamtu differently atumutege for what he stands for na kira omba ku deliver for the country.
But yerere project ya former president.
You see in politics ote gintu gitiumba kwirwa na kethre project you see there is no evidence kutena evidence omba kuga mtu ora fulani project na kinya rais wengo na ugete wa ate ku sponsor mtu Sifuna wengo na ugete ate ku sponsor mtu lakini before uga mtu hii project let us look at the journey ya Sifuna. Look at his journey inaambiriria Sifuna nethiritwe barauga kinyo tumba kwithiria Sifuna utumba kuona mbicha Sifuna nayo bari ingina rais the current president. The journey ya Sifuna atambiria narua kinya baba moyo Sifuna bado baba pena kasongo Sifuna nauga kwena implementation ya mantu jabateri kuthithwa na ati ogwirwa jate kuthithia ata ati othithwa egitari no uru o sponsor. You see, that is the question we should ask. Kemi antu bara bainge bakwaria batithikaira inya miswada ya bunge. Take your time kinyanthia eta Google Sifuna ke bunge. We go positions chiawe since time in memorial. Is a very bright guy. Imtu araedia mantu jamu Kenya. Imtu kinyajaria president eteta ku address the Senate. Augira wa atita nontu aterede kuthikira orongo. So he's been consistent. No tumba kuga atere. Miakira ketumete Sifuna akinyara akinyete i consistency ewe. It is his consistency. Ti ati uga i karajo kirwe somewhere i president okirwa ari ikurungamira ideologies iria cha kiama ya ODM na kurega kugurwa kana kurega mia ODM ne kurerwa there is a faction that was bought kinya batiumba kuona manto jageta buthuku and that is the problem no nturiro kurerwe kinya ukona manto jageta buthuku utiumba kwaria. We've had kinya oparanya bakiuga kuombea serikali kura ni ngumu sana. It is very hard. It is true. It is true. So before uga mtu i project ya mtu tegera history yewe ethritwe ake behave how. Yes.
Because the other day ndonere Kalonzo ndene Matiang ndene Karua Eugene Wamalwa Bamuturi batamuchema niyo tetero ni Sifuna na kinya Gachagua atari muchema niyo nayo bonde barenda barita joint candidates ura wa compete against Rais William Ruto next year. Okay, agwithira antu bao buiba kwenda kwithira pena one candidates wa gushindana na Rais William Ruto. Are we likely kuona ngwataniro hii ikireflect ntuku ya Jumapili kiri endiunga ya Sifuna Meru, tuone Mithika, tuone Munya, tuone Kawira, tuone Imanyara, bantoko bituba bonde be musafare na yumwe ju Sifuna Meru?
Imbonete kinya Munya aki welcome Sifuna Meru and ambuge this is the right trajectory. Atere kuna munene wijite aja Bamunya na ba Imanyara ba Kawira Mwangaza ba Kobito ba Mithika Lentore ba Mwenda Ithele Jabau bomba kwithira be in different camps but they have one single agenda na agenda yo bonthe i bate kwenda utongeria bwanani bwa rais William Ruto bwenderea post 2027. They have a common goal. Kinya kethira be in different camps be na common goal. Na bonthe ba likwi ke msafara jojo alinda mwananchi because batejite kwaririria kana it is not about no governor Meru no kuromba gite kia governor Meru no kuromba gite kia senator no kuromba gite kia MP no kuromba gite kia women rep. That is not the essence ya tua iji isifuna wejite kwaraniria na antu ba Meru abera agendewe antu betikiria bomba kumwakura but mumiro uju ena right na ena choice ya kuthithia ke leaders baraken urethira we ke Jubilee urethira we ke UMP urethira we ke DCP mumiro out of antu bau bonthe kana urethira we independent kana People's Party mumiro ki antu bau bonthe agategera amenye mtu uria akaringira kura. So there is no need ya kureta ndoa, there is no need ya kureta friction. After Sifuna has gone utekege kurigeria the individual candidate endelea kuendia sera chiawe jauga intu kwe wake ukiendia sera chiaku na antu bonthe bakuigwa kana bakumenye hapana kuringwa mbiche ite gutethia nuntu kwe bara bakuthukania mbuga ndaringwa mbiche kana ndero ini twina Sifuna kana nda post ndona ni ngukari na Sifuna kana ni muretete. That will not translate to votes. Kila ka translate to votes after Sifuna has gone. What are you continuing doing nimbio kuthithia? So for me kila mpomba kubera ni mechemani oneji tu politically tolerant itugwetikiria mtu yoyote ke linda mwananchi eu ti senator Nkobito ake weku kwina very many people baraba kuromba gite senator and they are all there na bakaye wambuka opportunity ya kwaria ba address ya antu bao na at the very stages ira chikethwa chirio but atotige kumithithia ikaraja it is an individual contest against Sifuna to lose the bigger picture which is Sifuna wejete these other local politicians.
Wakili kwina issue ya zoning na hii akayambiririo cionania mapema sana kinya tutara kinya mweri wa February next year wona kinya civil servants bakiresign by TCSN thaitu umeona almost a year to the election victim ombere nje hara Kinoti mathiko yange yari South Imenti munini wa mutongere wa kiama kia Jubilee matiang aririe mbere ya antu au aragwa batu twike kiama kia Jubilee itwitikaniritie tuga support one Peter Gatira umunya riu metho ne JR Kinoti untu butamerukire bobo yake JR na I think 2 days or 3 days later JR athamira kiamene kia Didinyoro kia PPK zoning ye itethalia ngwatiro nyingi muno cia biama beki siasa
ambuge one of the hallmarks chia the current constitution ya 2010 yetikiririe multipartism na before initially nini multipartism yambiria 1992. That is one of the hallmarks chia history ya Kenya ati thai ti kiama kimwe kio bateri kuthithia atia kibateri kwithirwo ikio the ruling party na kithirwo the only party ne atikiriria biama bithithwa ambuge ke biama bibi bena choices chio na kila mtu ana opinion yawe on who enda athithia pura ethirwa akithirwa emutongerio we kana ura their preferred candidate and for obvious reasons buga yiba itanirite nguge barethirwa baki interact yamwe na kwina ochore na mantu ja maingi but with regards to ke mantu ja jau yathithikire JR kina mpomba kumwira ni agakua nkoro na akabojokeria nkorone mandu ja akajokia nkorone because kia maithieko ingare ituonete antu baba inginya Kawira agitonya last election Bishop Kawira are independent. So kiria JR batere kuthithia kana antu bara bonthe bakethiriria bagitemwa ibamenye it is the constitution that allows. The constitution allows that antu no barungame na biama mwanya ke apate ke kiama kira kina rules and regulations chiachio. So waigua kabisa no kwenda kurimen ke PNU kana ge kiama kira wewe kio na kwe boy baire kwina party primaries. You can always no othithia buria no bwete mchujo na mtou wonge. For instance enda kethira imu member PNU na kwina munya, there is no harm no bete party primaries so that people bomba kuga no no bakwenda. But an issue with zoning zoning in advantages and disadvantages. Zoning number one kienda consolidate kura iria banenkera muntu umwe ikienda omba guchinda, because for instance ukethira unindi na kweberia mbuga ndwai nyingi. For instance ukethira twina kiama kia DCP, twina UDA na twina Linda Mwananchi na DCP nyone kuga one term. So zoni ni kauga antu tanto baba ingi ke Linda Mwananchi kwithirwa DCP ni koromba governor, PNU ni koromba governor, anga KPP ni koromba governor, anga kwe na ibio na biama bionthe ibimwe ekauga atwite muntu umwe. Then we consolidate all these votes ikenda twithirwa twina candidate ro kethirwa are o Linda Mwananchi kana candidate ro kethirwa are wa Murengo juu. But again the other disadvantage kiuraga mtore otiomba gukinyira biama biria. Remember biama biria bingi kuromba gitikia u governor no mwanka ore around 500,000 ticket kurira ticket. Na unikethira ntina ambe cheu I'll prefer gwita independent. No kuona kana mbuga we kiama kiampa free ticket na unikama kama inkwigwa ndi na weru na ndi na power na ndi na antu kwe antu benyu mekwa. So zoning at times ni uraga some of the young leaders no gategera ja odi ja Nyanza ODA zoning ni uraga these upcoming baraba teko support mbuga ja Raila kana baraba teko support ODM ukethira go teko support ODM ekabidi oguchujwa kana ogwitwa. Lakini in as much as ne tether go consolidate the votes ikenda bwekira ke basket mo bo avoid go split votes here and there. Kinya zoni nayo on the other hand niomba kuraga those naibuje ire mo kinyora gukareka ke bia mabibi kenda ona ticket no mwanko thithi atia o mathe. Most of biama bina itoba ije baraba itango ge tuije ndo baraba itango ge ngyo kona ge pati mwantu iba kwebera mono because they fear be kinyira ara muthia mtoro kanenkirwa ticket yoria is not the most deserving candidate but the candidate orembuka wijene na ntoba kai na weguru na mubukojo ijonori. So ikyo kona ntoba bainge bakebera kana bakiregana na mantu jazonin because mtu no atarwe but is not the best kana ti mtu ranto bakwenda muno alafu ukoraga mtu ungi indi gwanto bakamuringira nunto kwena wave no ba benefit from the wave akira wa encourage ni mtu uju ikienda omba kuntetera naria but not necessarily is that he was the best candidate. But let me encourage waigwa kiama fulani gitegwetani yawe just leave kana tonye independent but make sure antu ibakwelewa because baraba akuringira kura tikiama baraba akuringira kura ni akenya baba
kire issue ya patite still bere tumau ndende nyono kwa kiama kia wekero kia PPK gashegwa arona kiama kia threats because attack accept bro arigwa kiti kiama kia uma ki kinya githiki kweta one term nkorone mtuto one term no two term katumirinde sitting president because eketa kawiri baro kanini methuwe ngwara wiritu kumenya Linda Mwananchi bereti ku register their party ni remete lakini baba raira overnight or register party na beya ba launch na iba ambridio karibisha antu ndene kiama. So in your opinion, when do you feel Gachagua is uncomfortable na kiama kia Ndindi Nyoro?
Ambuge is not ntoba kugane mtu ena interest tiawe. The truth is that everybody has their own personal interest. Na interest ya Gachagua ne ku consolidate the mountain. Ikienda omba kwithirwa ena bargaining omba ku bargain ki in the event akairwa atirungama omba kwithirwa ena bargain ki the next government.
Yeah.
Regardless of who becomes the president. Gachagua akomba ku consolidate na DCP komba kwithirwa ena ajumbe baba inginda igo wakira antu mpenia ajumbe kana. If you have 100 MPs from your keki amagia ku number 1 funding maybe funda with thirikari kiama gyaku ikethirwa kina funding. Number 2 ikienda agenda yoyote ya thirikari igikurukwa no mwanka o consult antobai by that particular party. Yeah. Kiegita riria tukuga resources chia buga appointments na ite bia Kenya. Ugo nkethirwa nkiuga ndetete kura milioni 7. But it's so unfortunate because all these things did for the good of the people. A personal interest. That is the most unfortunate thing. A personal interest. With regards to KPP, I was a very good admirer of politics Ndindi Nyoro because these are the young people barawa komba ku confront manto kuringana na oraja karina bakajariria bakomba gutarire na akaija na solutions manto jara atiuga ati akikwe na thina na ageragia ku offer a solution according to the kuringana na jara kwariria. No tegera mbuga constituency yawe is one of the model constituencies in Kenya. But on the other hand, criticism yawe iriumania naye. Riria a Kenya beterete kuona vote yawe kana kuona decision yawe kema ntujaraja ku concern the Kenyan public, he has been conspicuously missing. Tukiringira impeachment mbuga ya Lentore, he was missing. Finance bill, he was missing. Voting ya Gachagua, he was impeachment, he was missing. Finance bill yeje ya 2026-2027, he was missing. So wategera that pattern, whereas you were the highest crusader, kedre financial bill ora no kumiura, but when it matters most, where Kenyans want to see whether what you're saying is what you stand for, you're missing. Ikyo kuona age attract this kind of criticism. Nambuge probably calculation ya Ndindi Nyoro was very bad. Had he stood had he continued with the trajectory that he had, ingutike thai turingithwa tuna president na deputy president baringithwa ipona andu bo baire kati ya Sifuna na Ndindi Nyoro ibo na ande bako twira no ka president no ka deputy president because ukategera policies chao na mathoganio jo, these are bright people, but nande patterns matter a lot. Patterns matter a lot. Na ikio Mukenya atega akona no twithiro tukiarairia mantu but ya kinyirara ubateri kuthithia decision ugukaura why kikyo kiuria Mukenya akuria atiri nikirira nda ni sasa inkuigwa jara okwaria lakini nara nkwenda uthithia exercise because the only nara omba ku exercise decision kana nara omba ku affirm decision yawe igie parliament why egitare are on the ubateri kuona decision yewe kukana tona affirmation ya mantu jara okwaria you are missing in action. so au ni okuona Kenya bagikirambi
Question mark.
question mark but ndwa yawe na Gachagua it has nothing to do with the with the good of the country. It has nothing to do with nini Gachagua ate kwenda anybody else ethirwa no alida Antu Baba in a different faction arenda agwate Mount Kenya East, Mount Kenya West, Mount Kenya North, Mount Kenya South achiekire chionthe nini ikienda ametumira a political currency. That is my opinion on that.
Wakili, issue hii ya gunism iturakinyire level ya kinya ABC kuoroka watikana obue na maitie yaye kubangania gunism, guns, preach culture ya gunism, kuritamia incitement, but mukilia Quran for a certain seat, either ni MCA, mbunge, senator, women rep, governor kana kinya president. But nikinyite antu tukuona iaka kwina selective way of no tubati weta no tutibati weta. We have seen abunge ba uwa omabe akirita merera aritire Kaluma tuya unge wa remember
Kagusi.
yes, yeah. Murkomen akwari urakwaria na ni CS wa interior mere ariru ni SG wa UDA and many others barabariti, but mwanka tha institution ichi thirikari utikintu ikwaria. So level tukinyita tha ine kuwa iaka sheria Kenya itikumba accountament ya so karua bambirio call out for let us bring ICC no ya tutetheria okay kwithira sheria Kenya itikumba kuriria mantu ya for how long will we see this culture, because waratu tu kwiriria weta kuren no mantu ya weta na mbere ya kimba.
Ambuge, you see most of the problems we have in Kenya are caused by like 1% of the population in Kenya. Leaders baratu na bape bangana as compared to the total population ya Kenyans. Very negligible. Na Antu Baba ibobo tumeka that small number ne gutumeka inside Kenyans na inside communities against other communities. Like kuga it is important mu Kenya nathikire ndwaria nathikire mantu ira jonthe ja kwarua but agatumika kuthithia nethirwe na ume bwawe na discernment yawe akamenya ginya kithira kuthikira rwaria ru ti rwaria rwa kwaka irwaria rwa kutharia. At the end of it all mu Kenya the back in as much as the back stops with the security kana Antu bara babate na institutions ile chibateri ku government jaja mu Kenya na very critical role ya ku play ke politics iji mwananchi no kamua ketha politics iji kethira china violence kana itena violence
How?
atia naruo tuka insight tukerwa linda mwananchi bagakinya Meru na tukanenkerwa mbecha ja muyuthi nkare mbecha iria na nkare agwita kuinga barabara. It means mantu jara jakathithika na ntetumirwa buthuku. I will not be used buthuku nuntu mbecha chirio ukareka kujukia mbecha, lakini mantu jara ba ukwira wite ukaingire mtu fulani utume oparalyze biashara tauni kana wite ukarwena mtu fulani kana uringe mtu fulani kana uringe mumeru mwenzako. Mantu jaje ijo tukuga atiri ibetho a Kenyans ibetho be very careful kuthikira mantu jaria ja kwarua. Above that kuna institutions ira chibateri ku govern miario na incitement in Kenya. And let me say ojora to kuga in as much as this constitution has tried so much to advocate for independence of these institutions, Mumero kana mu Kenya ate blind na kuona all these institutions they receive command from a particular quarter. Kedhi president kana nini ukona mbuga opposition aria gintu fulani, not that I'm justifying it, aria gintu fulani ukona nini swiftness, ukona uria nini uchi kumove haraka chigeta kuthithia atia ku arrest muntu u indi muntu thirikari kwina dilidali na ngambi bakambira kunenkanira explanations. Let me give you an example. CS Ruku nethirĩtwo akithiũrũrũka akiuga kirima kigitanwe. What does that mean in other words? He's calling for you see the constitution calls for national unity. Lakini tuwe na CS who saw to defend the constitution ini nawe nonto for political gains kana for political calculations are advocate for division of the country. And these things are not being taken because na ndio ambira kuga Mount Kenya East anga ntoba Mount Kenya East bo barigeretie tuona maendeleo. Ukarigwa mtu ujure ka kuona Kenya bebia kana atia because we have leaders in Meru. Imbili do Meru arigeretie kureta maendeleo imto Mount Kenya West. There is nothing. So NCIC na all these institutions ira chiete task na kutegera mantu jaja unless they act swiftly, unless bajokia nini na baonania bona antu baba baraba kwaria regardless of the political divide irore urethro wiki one term kana wiki two term, as long as ure area kana mantu ja kuincite Kenyans no bateri guchukirwa hatua na institutions ira chibateri guitango geji chibateri kuthithia mantu jaja with impartiality. Tino ntu umono thirikari wamwa bukategera thirikari kana ungi to thirikari bwamwa bukathithia bukamutegera ntu to thirikari. Let us exercise impartiality and neutrality because ara tweterete if these things jaura kagusha uga ati warega kuringira mtu fulani, you see people will take that personally. Kana jamii ariorera aritwa by a particular leader uga akanenkanira ngiri kana mtu ita kobie mtu. You see untubura no bukare ya joke kana no ithro ukwaraire untubura as a joke, lakini kwe mtu kajuki untubura seriously. So ke mantu jira to kwariria, let us beware ke miariore tukaeja ni reckless tukaria ni recklessly because there is a country even after elections. Na mutongeri oro kuthugania kwe atongere baraba kuthugania the next general election, lakini kwe baraba bakuthugania the next generation. So itomenyere atongere bara akifocus yao I ora kathithia by hook or crook, ora kathithia kiandona gite without minding that no one gite but kwithiro tutena this country anymore.
Argument ya Ruku ni athire wakili. Arua barenda ku divide crime politically. Naga an example ako since 1963 Mount Kenya East bedrite baki support Mount Kenya West from Kenyatta 1 to Kenyatta 2, Kibaki, other vice president bedrite bareo na the former deputy president Rigathi Gachagua. Now that Mount Kenya West Baronde they cannot support Professor Kithure Kindiki because he comes from Mount Kenya East, then they have no option. Nonka pakawinya batui katwe selfish to support one of us.
And that is the kind of reason inira to kuga atri flawed. Na politicians babu ibo karaja nyamba tikuelewa antobaraba kwariria kana the demographic ya Kenya. Siasa yu ichia igita muno. Siasa yu ichia kitambo sana. Siasa yu ichia richa Moi. Yu ichia siasa cha Moi. Most of the people who are going to vote they've never been governed by Moi. Kana they really do not they have no remembrance. Batena memory njeka Moi. Baraba ingi batena memory kinyeke bake no kuona they have just a faint memory. Baraba ingi I memory ya the previous government and the current government. Na mbuga story da chiara yeru mono ichake bake. and these are the people bara ukwambira kwira mantu ja kugita kirima na bara bakona atiri kirima kiki utikyo kirigiritie maendeleo jeja nara turi utino Gachagua twerwa barabara erejite etaira president barabara uwikeja Meru nikwe Nyeri. We've never had such an allegation. Kira kirio such an argument ati tutio support mtu wetu nonto anga butatu support leo ujo uta support you, it is a lazy argument ire ikwenda tureka mtujo tureka kumuria account either accountable because MPs betu baturetu nga Gachagua iro maendeleo yake za Meru. It is more than a year down the line, almost 2 years down the line, imaendeleo je kutumba kwa account jaraje umenia na kwinga Gachagua thai uro ureo ikiendeke. The deputy president, with all due respect, areja michemanio ni aja Meru every day, but there is no tangible development ira omba kuga aja all mantu jira kuthithia I promises na kyo to kuga atiri I have no problem with supporting my own nonto of course tuga kanyerika kaina wimbi mwene. There is of course mbumete aja na tukiona na aja there is that ni okampa support because of the nonto itumeni anto amwe. But the bigger question kana the bigger picture ire ogwe rira tukwete such kana rira wina that power imbi ombeta influence ikenda mbuga atiri enyewe gwe kyo ndirona na presidency eku na ngakwa kura inkono kareta mantu ja maingi na ja mega ja Meru. But what do you give me? Ogwe ngoge ku yo assemble antu 30,000 ka 20,000 ujo bade nenkere ngiri ithatu mbechi iji tutukwirwa na rachimite mbechi ri kunenkaniro nyite nenkaniro acheki I cash no kuona bweja ure adi yake mantu jara ukariria ukauga tuko na agenda tuko na nini boka katara mantu jara jonte jathithitwe, but there is nothing that is being realized. The economy is not changing, the poverty index is rising. Antu baraba kwirwa bate kumba kuweka mugate kana irio ki metha ki kuongereka ayuthi bate nangugi. Instead of addressing those issues ogugatuira anga president Uhuru anga nare na mbechi nyingi utemaendelea aletere na ndika kada antu tetera kana witangugi urenda gutwira na ndi tutegere to compare na president Uhuru. But we cannot do that because Uhuru is no longer in power. Orowi thirikari ne yogwe. So kiro bateri kuthithi kurekebisha mantu jira no gategera antu baba, instead of addressing toga shaite gwitanguge, instead of addressing that thing, because akenya baraba ingi iba ku interact na intobi ne gwitanguge lakini kwena mantu etethithite buria, and the whole idea ya sha yare to make sure health is affordable kana free, totally free no kuona. But has that translated? No. Twaredia mantu ja affordable housing twakura priorities chia Kenya te affordable housing education nambi thai school which kurera nonto ba capitation money has not been released, and even the small money that has been released neithiri already because school china marando barerwa capitation ne gitirwe. So even the education itself is in shambles.
No na logitri dringira na bera ngwatatu
no kuona. So alafu okay there ya State House ire allocatwa 18 billion, judiciary nenkerwa 22 billion. Surely imbi wethithika State House iwe bateri kunenkerwa mbechi uchionte. So these are the issues ira mukenya akwaria na point out antogo address mantu ja uchokia uga tukarekebisha aja kana tukathithio jo nojo ukona ndu urenda kuga angategere ni thirikari rengi tuti ukuria mantu ja thirikari rengi twikuria mantu jaja, and therefore ke deputy president Kindiki kira mpumba kumuromba ena time rĩrĩa ndona Kindiki agikia maendeleo yake inara gukuromba kura ivorere kana ivrore kana nara kwa
Orkalau
atetere Orkalau endi nara kwa Muthende Mbere North egita rĩrĩa kura ciarombawa iro tuonere agita ku commission barabara iwa chiraurire thai niki itekweja thai antu betu baria baguchwa ngugi, what steps are you taking, independent steps other than kuruka from antu babaraere ompandika na oigo every day be barabarene bagita ku consolidate kura kutetera thirikari. You see, you do not need to talk a lot, ntonere Kibaki everywhere, lakini ngugi we no migagwa ngugi we. So instead of addressing those issues andi turenda bo change accountability, ndagia kuria kioria kiu, ndagia kuria imbi uko thithite kana imbi uko ndeterete na ndo ukunikira kioria giako na kumbira atiri Mount Kenya West batatu support. But when the current antobaraba kuringa aringi kura, I don't care about Mount Kenya West, I don't care about Mount Kenya East. All I care is uranda aringira kura ri na kureta maendeleo.
Right.
Yes.
Tukirikiria wakili, because time chetu kuthira, what message do you have? Because turibire nyote qualification cha kuromba itenyo orana kuromba tika president, you can vie.
Ambuge nijeri mwe okaria manto jamoko okaraja okwaria from a point of privilege, but education is a very important thing for reason being okethira nteta skuru ntumba kugamba mbuga mbeta kotini na ngamba kuna mantu ja maingi mea wira wenda kwithira mu Africa mantu mwithira mantu maukune. I don't know kethira be manisha every Tom Dick and Harry everybody kinya uteta skuru utije kuthoma utije kuandika no arombe kura, but you see, other than utongeria kuna responsibilities ira mutongeria bateri gwita na ara tukumutuma na document ichethirwa chieku ukienda kuthoma budget, ukienda kuarticulate issues chiaku utita kwaria Kimiru, utita kwaria Gikuyu parliament, utita kwaria Kijaluo parliament, official languages English na Kiswahili. You have to be coherent. Ikienda omba kwigikanwa ito expect rira finance bill omba gutwira what is in the finance bill, ito expect document kana proposals ikiretwa ge parliament, ito expect withdraw no kumba ku interact kana win at least that know how ya kumba kuthithia buria ima degree te atiuga degree ne tuma mutongeria thero mutongeria, but what comes with education kuja an exposure. Education demo ne go expose ke mantu ja maingi jaria mbuga uringe thro utafuata that system utumba kukinyira ne tuma kinyoga interact na antu baba ingi jana unka umaja ngeta Nairobi nkathomera Nairobi, I'll get friends from Nairobi, I'll get friends from everywhere, ngeta nkona friends and ke network yeu nkeja kwa mutongeria I can activate that network. So tukajukiria untu bobo lightly nante kuga to discriminate muntu nuntu mbuga atena degree kana atena ambi kana ambi. We have very good leaders bara mbuga i opportunity muntu atombere kuona ya mbuga kukinya degree kana ambi, but it does not mean totally that twiki antu illiterate ke tubaringire kura antu illiterate. Waigwa argument ya mtu ukaigwa argument ya mtu igi ntura buru, so iteko manisha ati to let it not be the only thing ira tugutegera tukaithira tugitekaira ki twiringira mtura nuntu na degree ari degree aside re tabia cha mtu wikariata, integrity we kariata, ku tulobera ikariata, ku articulate mathina ja mumeru re kana ja mukenya re ikariata, then let the degree be the icing on the cake. But totally I do agree, because kuyachore nyapa baingi my engineer batetra bona degree ende mtu etre diploma eta higher diploma agwathania mantu jawe na nagwitangugi professionally. So atibateri kwa discriminated nuntumbuga atero nambi degree either way degree. Most of the people mbuga mtu gatona opportunity ya kumba kuthoma, lakini utongeria bwendenewe kira nkuga ni ikethira the only thing iratu gutegera ikenda wa mtu kura mutegere mtu as a complete package. Na ikyo nkuga kiro bateri guchurio ichuria imbio kuringira kura, ando wamenye imbio kuringira kura wategera ki antu barabonde bakuchwa kura ukamenya mantu jara uni kwenda ija ke mtu fulani, regardless kidra mtu uwe na degree, regardless kidra ke linda mwananchi, regardless kidra ke DCP kana independent candidate, ukamenya mtu ujo noe karingira kura.
Wow.
Yes.
Thank you Akili for coming.
Nambuga nkithirikiria.
Please 1 minute.
Okay. Aturikania Meru that ikwithirite kwina andu ai nyingi ja Homa Bay, that is not a thing, because ugategera Homa Bay bari uge yantu baire bakwire, but the truth is hidden. Kana uma ukoria na antu barabe ground ine more than that number ira ekwirikana. Therefore it will be very bad aja Kenya aja Meru antu ba lose their lives, kana twithira twina injuries, kana to destroy public kana private properties, kana in short twithira twina civil unrest, because the whole world is watching, Kenya is watching, and if we are able to agree na turete mtu ejaite maoni jawe ate kuringwa iturete kinya urongi kinya Kasongo eja kwenda kuromba kura, ndende nyoro enda kuja kuromba kura, Gachagua aromba kura, itobetekiria Bakalonzo beja kuromba kura, Bamatiang'i, let everybody come, let everybody be allowed to come. Na ankuromba our government agencies jaborichi kindly ensure that ontoboy na all the machinery at your disposal, bena NIS, bena Intel ya mibango ere kobango, police bakenda kumenya, they can thwart all these nini, and do not be selective go punish yantu bara bate kufuata manto janini. Arrest those people bara bejeta ku cause havoc, rigerie ni yantu bara bejeta ku cause havoc, na at least confidence ya Meru, confidence ya Kenya igachoka ikionania bwechenche rwangu itobuna bwechenche ni robo ko deal na Kenya. Otherwise ngwetekia the tour will be successful na all people are well.
Wow, thank you Akili. Na thank you very much kire bonde bedra bena batru kiria uchambua mantu mwanya bedra boyo ntubo maana kwambire ntukwe kuwe ko wata ume fulani nontu na untura yao kenda tumba kumenya bibweta na mbere kire ndikuru ya Kenya hidra wena ntukwembea betawa mutembea dot
Mobango joko gukekire Weru TV na Weru FM ureterine Mafuko Bread. Mafuko Bread, take pride in the bread you take home. Mafuko Bread.